Hello everybody, my name is Abhyuday. You are watching my channel and we are going to do a small origami. That is the origami of a house. You see, it's my mother's birthday today. She always wished to have her own house. So today, to make her wish true, I'm deciding to make an origami house for her. It's gonna look something like this. This is the big version. This is the small version. For the small version, you'll need a A2 sheet of paper. And for the big version, you'll need a A4 sheet of paper. I'm only going to show you this big version because I like big. Because I'm big, I'm about 8 years. Come on, let's go. Get a sheet of paper. Hold it like this. Straight, not like this. Straight, like this. Hold it like this. And make sure the corners and ends match together. And then nail it. Nail it with your nail tip. And then open it. You'll see a line over here. Then you see from this part you fold it like this. And nail it. And then open it. You see, it's something like a plus symbol if you do like this. So when you're done, from the top again do it like this. Nail it nicely. Then you see this part. You see this one? Now this nailing line, you just take it and put it in the nailing line like this. Something like this. Then we put this another thing like this. It looks something like this. Okay. Next step. Two minutes. Yeah. So you do. You see where this, and you do a mountain folding thing. You see, mountain foldings. 2 minutes. Many more. Like this. Is the house ready? Don't you think it looks quite plain? Maybe it looks plain to me. Decoration time. You can use a pencil or a few crayons. I'm gonna use crayons. It's the best. I'm gonna take pink to make the door. You can make it any color. See, and if you want to make I made a closed door. Anyway, this is a twin house. If you want to make an open door, just make a square over here, and then you just over here just make another square, so it looks like an open door if you see closely. But I'd rather make windows over there. You see, everything with me, it's pink. Oopsie. Now, I get orange color. Is this one my house? This is my old house, you see. Make steps, or if you made the door too high, make steps for people to climb it in. That's an order. I mean, I'm just chilling, yeah. Then you can decorate it as much as you want. Yeah, my red. I'm gonna make windows at the top for the attic. Don't mind showing me it. So here's our house. Hope you liked today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And if you have any queries, you can just message me you can just email me at abhyuteja@gmail.com. I'm waiting for your feedback. Have fun. Enjoy origamis. Bye-bye.